Wenda, and Wenda's recently had a procedure done where lower implants were placed to help secure her lower denture. Wenda, how did you feel before the treatment?
I was sad, depressed. I felt a hopelessness. I felt that my life was over as I knew it.
Oh, okay, Wenda. And once you found Dr. Riordan and you came in and you spoke with Dr. Riordan about the treatment, how did you feel during the procedure?
First off, I'd like to say I was so completely trusting and impressed with his presentation and explanation to me. I felt completely confident that he would do a good job. While I was terrified because I'm afraid of dentists, I was so surprised during the treatment to find out that it was more painless than getting a tooth out.
Great, Wenda. Thank you so much. And now it's been a few days since we've done the treatment. How are you feeling now?
I am ecstatic. I cannot believe how great this has been. I cannot believe I feel like my whole life is back. I mean, 4 days afterwards, I'm eating, I'm talking. It's just fantastic. I am thrilled to death.
Thank you so much, Wenda, for your positive testimonial.